smooth the normals. You don't need to do this because it takes I don't know, an extra second or something to bake. And your low poly, nothing special. Though I just realized that I haven't done a cage, which I need to do. So bear with me, and we'll do a quick cage back in Maya. If you haven't used cages for baking in XNormal before, I really think it's time to do that, because it's very much superior above that ray tracing search technique. It's very there's a lot of difference between them, and if you don't know what the difference would be, I don't know, check it up somewhere on the Polycount wiki. I think it says. So I'm just gonna duplicate this and put it in a new layer. Put the low poly in an own layer, and I'll change this. So the only like the most important thing with the cage is that it covers everything of your high poly. Looks good. And the most important thing with a cage is that the topology is the exact same. Like the vertex numbers, if I push a vertex, it will have, yeah, it's called 2. So if they change name in any way or anything, XNormal is gonna tell you that it's faulty. So I have it right here, and I'm just gonna replace it. Back to XNormals. Okay, so as I told you before, my UVs are squashed. I scale it up in U. Wasn't it U? I think it was. So that's why I have 1024/512. I promise that this is wrong, and I need to change it back, but time will tell. Okay, so I will bake a normal map, and I will bake a high poly vertex colors. It's the second one from the bottom. And yeah, when you bake for Cryengine, you need to put in Y-. And okay, let's see if it looks good. Alright, and as you can see, I got my vertex color right there, and the normal map was there somewhere in between. Okay, so I'm gonna change to ambient occlusion, and the thing is, yeah, well, you can bake ambient occlusion and normal map both with the optics render and the default bucket render. The drawback with baking with the optics is that you can't use any anti-aliasing. So what you need to do is up the resolution one step, so that way you will have 4 pixels on one, and it's pretty much the same thing as anti-aliasing, kinda. And the thing with optics is it renders on the graphics card, so it kind of takes it just takes seconds instead of minutes. The reason I don't render a normal map is because I need to put in 2K and 1K and downsize it. If I would render a normal map and downsize it, it actually destroys some of the normal information that's otherwise baked down. I don't know if that's the optics render's fault, or if it's the downsizing, but I just noticed there was a difference, so I kept with the. And yeah, you can't actually bake with the Cry tangent base plugin for optics. So you actually need to render out with the default bucket if you're gonna render out with that plugin. So that's the reason. And then just gonna yeah, I'll pause this until it's done. Okay, so it's done. It took 34 seconds, and I actually think it would take like, I don't know, 10 seconds or something in the newer version of XNormals. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's just a few seconds. So, and something that I realized I'd done wrong, which you didn't see, or if you were really quick and saw it in the normal map, I didn't fix my shading on my low poly. So I went back and just smoothed the low poly, exported it once more, rebaked it. Nothing strange there. Okay, so next stage would be the texturing, which I will take in the next video. I'll see how long it will take me to do it, but hopefully in the next couple of days it will be up. So until next time, bye.